Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. This will be a very quick video to give you some precautions for working on the driveline, right? So in this job I have removed this entire drive shaft because the rear universal joint, or simply called U-joint, was completely bad, and you saw that in the previous video on this channel, right? So that was bad. It's in pieces right here, and we have the brand new one. I had no time to film it because that always takes forever. You see those C-clips perfectly installed. What I wanna brought up. Do you see all these marks? Well, that's from me. So first of all, I needed to put this part back towards to the drive shaft, right? So I mark this area, and that was really important, and that goes towards to the rear diff. Obviously here, right, are these marks, the white marks which I made. So you want to put it back the same way because we knew it was balanced, it was not making any problems, so it's better put it exactly the same way. Here you can see the detail of that slip yoke, right? So this is where the seal is. You have to be very careful so you don't damage it on the way out or in, right? I will be putting it back right now. I can show you that area, and I had to mark that too. It was really dirty, so I did something else. I did the scratch marks. Do you see them right here? I want to put it back exactly same way. This is very fine finish, and that's where that rubber seal, right, is riding, and it's not allowing that transmission gear oil coming out. So please do yourself a favor, if you ever do this work. Two marks are right here, right? It was too dirty to use the paint, so I did the scratch marks, and that's basically all I wanted to tell you in this video, right? So drive shaft, brand new universal joint or U-joint, right, whatever we call it, and it's going back right now. I'm in the time crunch. Look at my clock there, so I don't have time to keep filming it, how to install it, how to torque the bolts, which are right here, right? The C-clips were replaced, obviously, because you get the new one with the new C-clips. So I'm sorry, I wish I can film everything all the time, but it's impossible if you own the shop. And this could give you a great idea how it is removed, right? There were only the 4 bolts here. There was no need for any pullers. That nicely came out of there. So thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed. I will always have a lot of Toyota info going your way soon. See you later, my friend.